Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Samuel and you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. So in this video, we are going to be exploring a part of Nottingham called Wollaton Park. It is also known as Wayne Manor. So this is mostly known for being part of the sets used for the Batman movie Dark Knight Rises, and it is a really beautiful place where you can go with all your family, and it is known for its presence of animals such as deers and squirrels. It's just so beautiful. So in today's video, we're going there, but first we have to go somewhere else. Certainly not me.
I want to say I don't know where.
Let's just walk around.
Let's walk around. Give me some water. Hey.
This one is still there.
Oh, that one is there.
Where?
Oh, there's another. Oh, there's two over there.
Oh wow. Huh? Oh, amazing. Can you take my picture first? Please. Oh my god, I look so cute. I can shoot a music video here.
Yes, that's good. Bring it. Come on now. I'm still not sure, but I go.
Even if I pay for you or Delma. Oh my god. It's already getting dark.
I want to say when you want to do something about this, when you want to do the video about this, you should check this building's name, his history first, okay?
Yeah, sure.
So that you can know more about it, then you can find some information about it.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah, I'm just taking a video now. It's a free place. Huh? Go away. Huh? Shift, please. Move back. Oh my god, hey, that's so
Do that again. Just what you did. So we have to go back.